Hi, I'm going to present uncertainty propagation for multiplication or division. So let's say that you're going to make a calculation using some lab data, and perhaps you're going to be multiplying the two numbers, A and B. And we have uncertainty in both of the measured values, and so of course there's going to be uncertainty in the calculated value. So there's a rule for how to calculate the uncertainty in the calculated value, and it looks like this. So the uncertainty in the calculated value will be the original value, or the calculated value, times the square root of the sum of the squares of the fractional uncertainties. Okay, so it's kind of a big mess here, but these S sub A, S sub B, that just means the uncertainty in each of these individual numbers. So it looks a little complicated, but once you get used to it, it's not very hard. Let me go ahead and show you an example of this. So I'm going to use the same numbers as I used for the addition rule. So we're going to assume that A is 19 plus or minus 3. I'm not going to use units once again. It doesn't matter. And B is 27 plus or minus 4. Okay, so X is equal to 19 times 27. And throw that in your calculator and you get 513. Okay, so what's the plus or minus in this? Okay, it's definitely wrong to just take 3 times 4 and call it plus or minus 12. That's just plain wrong. It's not even close. So the right way to do it, assuming that these two uncertainties are uncorrelated with each other, is to throw them into this formula right here. So let's just use it. So we have the correct formula. Let's just throw numbers in. So X is the result of the calculation, 513. And then I take uncertainty in A, which is 3, divide by A, square that, and I do the same thing with B. So 4 over 27 squared, and I throw that into my calculator, and it spits out nowhere near 12, but in fact 111. So the correct uncertainty in the calculated value would actually be 111. Okay, this rule can be extended to 3 or more terms. It can also encompass division. It doesn't matter. You can combine lots of calculations together, provided it's all multiplication and division. Okay, thanks for watching.